Hi, I'm Dave Roemerman. I'm a New York City-based foreclosure defense attorney. I help homeowners like you fight the banks and other financial institutions to save your home. I'm here today in Loring Estates, a neighborhood in East New York, with some of the people I've helped. In fact, some of these guys are the reason I got into foreclosure defense in the first place. I like helping good, honest, hardworking people fight to save their houses. Personally, I think we're pretty good at it, but don't ask me. Listen to what some of them have to say about Roemerman Law.
I've been a fan from the beginning, so I've been recruiting, so to speak, ever since I've met him. And if anyone is ever in trouble, I always point him to Roemerman Law.
Everything he said he's going to do, he does it, and the results are there.
You know, I'm very pleased and I'm really happy. I feel relaxed now that my case is in the hands of someone who is an expert. I would call him an expert.
This guy's a pit bull. He's going to fight for you.
So, there you have it. Roemerman Law represents homeowners in the fight to save their homes. Please click like or share this with someone you know who might be facing foreclosure. If you yourself are facing foreclosure, don't hesitate. Give us a call today and let us help you.